Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well you have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can access Lazada Fast Cash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy process. You simply have to first of all simply access your Play Store right over here. You're gonna go on top of your search bar and type in Lazada right over here. And once you do that, this is how the option gonna look like. I have simply downloaded it. Then you're gonna simply open it up and go to account at the bottom. Make sure you have logged in and sign up as well. Then from over here, you're gonna access this Lazada Wallet. Then right away you will find this option of Lazada Fast Cash. Once you've added the information accordingly, which will simply let you have a specific service requirement, which will make it easier for you and easily accessible for you use as well. You simply have to tap on it, provide your legitimate information, and simply go further with the information, confirm it, and you will be able to access the Cash App, Lazada Cash App right away like that. So that is basically what it takes. Make sure to have downloaded it perfectly, and then you can start doing your purchases with the Fast Cash as well and enjoy the service. So that is it for now. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.